Ciao Tesla people, I'm going to do a charge and we'll do a Supercharge Talk number 7. I'm not going to a supercharger, but I'm going to a B-charge high-speed charger that I usually go to, and I'm at 28%, so I wanted to charge back to 80 or 85 because I have things to do during the week. Right now it's raining like hell, and let's see how it goes. So come with me and we'll do this supercharge talk. So I'm arrived to the charger. Let me open the port and let's start the let's see which one is should be one. Yeah, this one. It's a bit of a mess because it's raining. Okay, it's flashing and it's still blue. It's stinking green. Great, fantastic. Okay. So it's charging right now at 74 kilowatts. There is a car beside me, so it's done. It's Audi, I think. e-tron. Pretty cool. The weather sucks, so I didn't want to get the camera out. Anyway, it says, so I'm at 27%. And it says it's charging at 75 kilowatts. It will take a bit to get to 85. Yeah, kind of 40 minutes. Maybe it's going to go up because the guy finished. Yeah, so we'll see. Maybe yes, maybe not. I'm not sure. It started at 75, now it's still at 75, 74. Hopefully it goes up. Anyway, so this is let me turn off this guy and maybe lower the heater. So we are in Via Senese, which is where it's charging. Okay, which is the road that goes to Siena, the old road, then there is a highway. Anyway, I wanted to do the Supercharger Talk number 7. Let me check if I brought with me the paper with all the things that I wanted to talk about it, and of course I forgot it. Damn it. Anyway, let's see if I remember. So, first of all, Tesla reduced the cost of FSD to $8,000. Before it was $12,000. If you remember, they put 1 month of free test in the US and Canada, and they do a $99 per month plan. But if you want to buy FSD, it's $8,000. Before it was $12,000. Also, if you have enhanced autopilot, you can upgrade it to FSD for $2,000, which is interesting. Yeah, interesting. The other thing I wanted to talk about it is that the software update 2024.14 is coming up. Let me check. There are so many changes. It's incredible. Coming. Let me check it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So there will be a revamp of the software UI on the pad here, the display. And the first thing that you're going to have is that this car will have the entire screen, kind of like the Cybertruck, where the entire Cybertruck picture will take the entire screen. And with that, there are a bunch of UI changes which are going to be interesting to figure out. That should be for everyone that has a AMD chip. So if you have Intel, which are older car, they're not going to update it. I'm not sure if it's yet or at all. So we'll see in time. Then there will be, and of course, all these changes I think is worldwide, but some other changes are not everywhere, okay? As usual. Hand-free trunk, so if you stand behind the car for, I don't know how long, the trunk will open by itself. Interesting if you have things in your hands and stuff. Okay, this is nice. There is a preview of Sentry Mode recordings, so if you have a Sentry Mode on and there is an event, you'll get a notification to your phone with a video clip. But this is available only if you have premium connectivity, if you subscribe to premium connectivity, okay? So make sure you have that. Oh, in the meantime, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to improve the channel, and feedback is always good. Okay, there is a car behind me. I think it's a Citroen. Not sure. Hopefully it doesn't reduce mine. Still a 74 kilowatts. Pretty good. Trip progress bar. So if you do a trip, there'll be a bar with the trip progress. Nice. They're going to improve the Spotify queue and playback speed. Nice. A better route availability. That means they will improve if you plan a trip. They'll improve your ride. And wiper control. Finally, you'll be able to scroll the speed of the wipers without, going through the pad. Let me see if this guy, I think they need help, maybe not. Other updates. Oh, speed camera chime. So if there is a speed camera in your route, you'll be able to set up a chime. Nice. And then the average speed zone, which is interesting. When you're driving through an average speed zone, you now see your average speed in the zone and the distance between the end of it. Oh, okay, that's interesting. And adaptive I-beams already have it, and I tested. Check it out video. So these are all the changes that are supposed to come. I'm not sure when, because there are no information on that. Yeah, so let me see if I remember other changes. I think that I did. I already mentioned this, but in Europe they reduced the cost of superchargers for non-Tesla cars. So here in Italy, you pay, I think it's 9 or 10 euros per month, and you get, if you get a 1 year plan, is 100 euros instead of 112. In addition to that, of course, you have to pay per use, and that's one change. What else? Yeah, I think this, maybe I'm sure I forget something because I put several bullet points for this Supercharger Talk. Unfortunately, I forgot the paper. Yeah, for now this. If I remember something, I'll get back to you. Still I have around 30 minutes left. Now reduced to 64 kilowatts. That's okay. Probably it's because these people are beside me. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. So I'm done with the charging. I charge 47 kilowatt hour. And let's unlock it. Let's see if... Okay, great. These cables are huge. Everything all right? Oh, this is the car beside me. It is charging at with the AC. So they came, left the car, and left. Anyway, everything went fine. Charging was okay. Oh, it's not raining anymore. Okay, so please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my Tesla referral if you are interested in buying a Tesla or do a Tesla test drive. It will help me. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.